Hey guys, this is just gonna be a quick little unboxing video. We got a package here from Adam, also known as Skivator on YouTube. Link will be in the description. This is a package from Minnesota. This is a part that I've been wanting for a while, just never really got around to, acquiring it until now. Let's open it and see what it is. Uh-oh, a note. Let me get some of this paper to cover up what this is so I can keep you guys waiting. This package is for a certain nerd. Well, that's obvious what this is. Enjoy a regular Schindler MT. Originally bought on eBay, the up button has your normal MT circuit board while the down one looks different, as it has two micro switches. It's finicky, but it still works. Enjoy. Give me a shout out. Already did. Skivator. Yeah, thanks again for all the Dogco stuff. God damn it. Anyway, let's open this. Wow, this is really light. Very light. Oh, this is very, very light. Oh, this metal is very, very nice. Look at that. Schindler MT. Wow, it's even all wired up already. Let's get a battery real quick. It is a bit finicky. I'm gonna have to fix this wiring real quick. It's just because these aren't making much contact. Yeah, they're kind of loose. I'll just tighten it down. But yeah, I now have regular MT and long bar MT. Look at that. They look so nice together. The one on the left, the long bar MT, is from Skivator's and Van City Elevator. So thank you guys again for that. So now I can put these both on my shelf next to each other and they can live happy together. Anyway, thanks Adam for this very lovely call station, and thank you guys for watching.